Again folks, here we are on the Wonderpost allotment, and Sophia and I are just going to be planting a globe artichoke each. I got these from the local garden centre. Really they should have been planted last month. I'm going to plant them 6 inches deep. If we were going to plant several in a row, we'd want to plant them about 36 inches apart. I'm going to plant one here. This is in the part of the Wonderpost allotment that has been treated with the fantastic Wonderpost soil improver, and Sophia in a moment is going to plant one over there in the part of the allotment that doesn't have any soil improver on. So here we go, very simple. What were they, $2.99? It might be a bit dry, so that's what we're planting. Okay, it's a root. I did refer to it as a crown earlier, but really it's a root. This is going to go 6 inches deep. I've prepared my hole here. I've forked over the base a bit to make it nice and loose and make sure the soil isn't compacted. That needs to go a bit deeper. Let's have a look. Okay, can you see that, Roger, how deep that is? Yeah, okay, got it. Let's go a bit deeper. I think that'll do. There we go. That's about it. I'm going to backfill that with the peat that came in here, the bag, and a mixture of soil and Wonderpost. Let's just firm that in a bit like that, and there we go. Now I do need to put a marker there. I forgot some labels, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this white stone here, Roger, and then in the week I'm going to go and get some labels and put a label there to signify that's the artichoke. So there we go, globe artichokes. We'll look forward to trying those next summer. To be honest, I've never cooked with them, so looking forward to trying a new recipe. See you in a minute, because we're going to plant some more garlic, aren't we? Great. You're now going to plant that?
Yep.
Leave you to it. See you back in a minute.